what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Insider, and the title of the video is "It took 3 cops, 2 tasers, and a K9 to arrest this man." Let's get into the video.
On July 12, 2022, officers responded to reports of a suspicious and reckless vehicle. When they attempted to stop the car, the driver accelerated and tried to flee, but was eventually blocked between 2 police units. Here's how the events unfolded. The man continued circling around the parking lot instead of stopping when commanded.
Show us your hands. Show us your hands.
Get out of the car now.
Turn around, put your hands on the car. Don't put your hands on the car. Put your hands on the car. Taser, give us traffic. Touch on. Taser.
Get out of the car now.
I wonder if something wrong with him though.
John,
if he like slow.
Store P with a K9. Get your on the ground. Get your on the ground. Get your on the ground. Park it. I'm dead. I'm dead. Park it. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
I'm dead. On the ground.
Good boy.
On the ground. Woo! Good pocket. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Unlock your hands. Unlock your hands.
Oh yeah, you gonna get that work today. You gonna learn today.
Stop resisting. You ready, John?
Stop fighting the dog.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. You're gonna get dog bit again.
The man seemed happy about being bitten by a K9, as he kept repeating that he had won the lottery.
Just the beat. Just the beat. Good boy.
That's a good boy. Yes, sir.
I won the lottery. I won the lottery. I won the lottery. Patience. Patience. I won the lottery. Condell.
Dog bite.
Condell. Okay.
How old are you?
Patience. I own that hospital back there.
No.
I do. Lee Hawker, you know Sid?
Stay down.
I do. You know the people y'all kill? Come on. You know Calvin? Come on, man. I'm out of Vero Beach. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Go to hell. Go to hell. Go to hell.
I ain't gonna lie. If you know you was an officer or something like that, the chillest job gotta be the K9 officer. Like, you get a dog like that, you get to train or whatever, like it's probably paid for by the department. Like, it's lit. Like, you get your, come on. A dog is a man's best friend. Like, they locked in like this. They locked in like that. Good boy.
Go to hell. Burn in hell. You know Sid Russ? I'll give you one more chance. Every now and then. Just
Not player.
I'll give you one more chance.
Not player.
You got the wrong person. You got the wrong person. Give me one more chance. You got the wrong person, Court. Condell. Just a beat. Give me one more chance.
One more chance for
Burn in
what?
hell, I lied.
One more
That's
chance
the
for
wrong
what?
judge. That's right, y'all murderers. Go to hell.
One more chance for what?
Go to hell. The wrong judge. I know why you stopped me the other day. Burn in hell. Nah. Burn in hell. Willie Gary. Willie Gary. You know Willie Gary?
Yeah.
You turn to Willie Gary? You know Richard Allen?
I don't know Richard Allen.
You know Haitian? You know Deborah White?
No.
Gwen? You don't know her? Okay, good. Everything stays the same.
I don't know what that means.
You know?
He was examined by medics and then transferred to the hospital, where he made every effort to make things difficult for everyone.
Action?
Yeah, that's who. Yeah, tell you.
Can you tell me who Marvin is?
Yeah.
Who's Marvin?
Me?
All right,
That's
let's go.
it. That's it. Come on.
Marvin White Jr.
Let's
That's
go.
it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Come on.
Let's go now.
Let's
Go.
go.
All right.
Go. Go.
Stand, Marvin. Here you go.
Marvin White Jr.
Come on, Marvin. Yes,
Now,
There's one security got patches. Y'all see the security guard? The security guards is in blue. Yeah, the security guard got a sergeant patch on. Like,
hey man. Everything stays the same. Everything stays the same. Everything stays the same. Everybody know who Pistol Pete is. I didn't have a wheel. The black Pistol Pete.
That's it right there, too?
Why you think you ain't moving?
I gotta come back and get all my other stuff, so I'll come.
Okay.
Oh, you're Pistol Pete.
Yeah.
Nope, he's not Pistol Pete.
Bug out.
Keep walking, Marvin.
I'll give you one more chance.
Come on.
Do what I tell you. Okay, good. Do what I tell you.
Watch your step.
Have a seat there,
Pistol, bug out.
Let's go.
Come on.
Pistol Pete.
Let's get in the car.
That's Pistol Pete.
Do what I tell you.
Okay.
I didn't have a wheel.
Okay. We need you to sit.
I didn't have a wheel.
All right, but you need to sit down.
I'm dead.
You did?
Go to hell.
I've been there.
Come on.
Hey, go to hell.
Come on,
man. Don't you know me? You seen me
Yeah,
before.
man, see, I need you to sit
They
right now.
laughing at you.
Come on.
I'm Keon Doolin. They laughing at you. Okay. Milton Johnson, you don't know him? You don't know him? Okay. Everything stays the same.
Got him. All right, we gotta sit down, Bobby. Come on.
Y'all don't see me?
Come on, we gotta sit down.
Sit down.
Everything stays the same.
Okay.
Burn in hell. Double time. Triple time.
You gotta sit down, man.
Triple time. Burn in hell. Burn in hell. Burn in hell. Burn in hell.
Yeah, sit down, man.
Burn in hell. Burn in hell. Burn in hell. Burn in hell.
He made it clear that he wanted everyone to burn in hell for simply doing their job.
Burn in hell.
You gotta put your feet in though, man.
Burn in hell.
Respond to the hospital code 3, please. I need your car.
Burn in hell.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was holding him like that. That was.
Burn in hell.
There's signal 14. We're trying to get him in the car, but he ain't going in. I need a
Burn
full
in
case car.
hell.
I'm gonna go get my. No, I got my bottles in there.
Burn in
You got his property?
Burn in hell. Burn in hell. Burn in hell.
Trust me, we're living it.
You know who I am. Burn in hell.
That's good, Marvin.
Burn in
That's
hell.
good, Marvin. It's all good.
Yeah, burn in
Good,
hell.
all right?
Burn in hell.
Over here.
Burn in hell.
All right.
Burn in hell.
All right.
this guy
Burn in
is
hell.
a nut job.
Burn in hell.
Have a seat, Marvin.
Yeah, burn in
Have a
hell.
seat, Marvin. Come on.
Burn in hell. Burn in hell. Burn in hell.
Sit.
Burn in hell.
We will. Walk first.
Burn in hell.
Gotta sit for a minute.
No. Burn. Everything stays the same.
Okay, but we need you to sit.
No. Burn in hell. Burn in. I hit the lottery, man. Come on. Sit down. I hit the lottery. Sit down. Come on, man. I hit the lottery. Sit down. I lied. I'm lying. I'm just a Pete. I'm just a Pete. I lied. I lied, man. Come on. I lied. I lied. I lied. All right. Pat.
There you go. Woo! Whoa, watch your head.
Oh, man.
The man was charged with resisting with violence and failing to obey.